In this video, I'll show you how to cash out money from your Gate.io account to your bank or local currency. First, open the Gate.io app or website and log in. Go to Wallet, then Spot, and check that the crypto you want to cash out is in your Spot account, not locked in margin, earn, or futures. If it is, transfer it back to Spot so it's available to sell or withdraw. Next, you usually need to sell your crypto for a stablecoin or fiat. Go to Trade, then Spot, choose a pair like BTC/USDT or ETH/USDT, and use these. Sell your coins into USDT or another stablecoin. In some regions, Gate.io may also support direct fiat markets, so you can sell into your local currency if it's available. Now it's time to cash out. Go to Wallet, Funds, Withdraw, or the Buy Crypto/Sell Crypto/P2P section, depending on what's supported in your country. Choose Fiat Withdrawal, Bank Transfer, or P2P Sell, then select the currency, enter the amount, and add your bank or payment details if it's your first time. Carefully review the fees, limits, and processing time, then confirm the withdrawal. You can track the status under Withdrawals/Orders/History until the money reaches your bank or payment account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.